Casper Curates from Rutu gets you the unboxing of Boya BY-V1 Wireless Microphone. So let's begin. We will go through the specifications written on the box: omnidirectional sound pickup, Type-C charging port to charge your transmitter, 50 meters wireless transmission. It also has a microphone mute control, 360-degree rotating back clip, high performance noise reduction, speaker play with RX plug, up to 9 hours of TX runtime, auto pairing. So let's go ahead and begin with the unboxing of this video. हमें मिला है एक USB केबल with A to C charging USB. It has a transmitter and the transmitter has a clip. Like we read on the specifications, it is a 360-degree rotational clip. Let's check. Yes, it is a 360-degree rotating clip. It has a sponge over the transmitter to avoid the unnecessary noises. It gives you two buttons. The black one is a power on power off, blue one is the noise reduction button. Let's check where is the connector to charge this transmission. Yes, so as we do not have a charging case, the USB cable will directly be plugged into the transmitter like this. It also has a receiver. This receiver is a lightning port receiver. This I will be connecting to my iPhone 14 so that I can begin with recording my audios. Thank you for watching, and if you really like the content that we have shared, please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for more updates.